Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the ingredients: beef slice, onion, garlic, English sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, salt, beef stock, sugar, soy sauce, big green chili, and rice. First, I want you guys to put black pepper sauce on the meat, and then mix it with a spoon. Put the meat on the fridge. While waiting, I want you cook the onions.
And then slice the garlic. Put them on the plate. And then I want you guys to slice the big green chili. And then spread the seed.
After 30 minutes, I want you guys to preheat the tray. After heat, I want you guys to put the ingredients earlier.
And stir up.
Many minutes later.
And then put the meat on the pan. Stir up them. Then I want you guys to put salt on the pan. And then I want you guys to put beef stock. Then put the black pepper. Then put the soy sauce. Then take the rice. I want you guys to put the beef black pepper on the bowl.
The sunshine breeze the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you